take. Killer blow that is. What? Got him! Brilliant from Sharma. What a wonderful... Oh, well bowled again. Is that out? Oh, what a wicket. Last ball, Roland. What a fantastic over for India. Ishant Sharma has bowled every single ball short. They're jubilant, India.
It's worked. It has worked. Stick. It's up in the air. Bhuvneshwar Kumar getting under it. It's a pair for Ben Stokes. This board. That's another one. That is another.
Now he's had out down the leg side. Yes, it is another short ball from Shah.